Hi friends, are you ready to dive into the world of iconic heroes? Today we're going to draw a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. It's a super easy and cute chibi version. Don't worry if you're new to drawing. This tutorial is very easy. So grab your markers, get ready to follow along, and let's create some art together. And there you have it, a super cool Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Isn't he awesome? Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, styles, and details. Who knows, maybe you'll discover your own unique way of drawing. Check out my other videos with cute and easy drawing lessons. Let's draw even more. See you in the next video. Bye!